Contempt petition is coming.
Use the
on
mic, please.
The contempt petition is coming on day after tomorrow, my lord. We have filed an application for
Tomorrow.
recalling.
Then tomorrow.
So
नंबर 32 श्री प्रभाकर सिंह।
एक सेकेंड, आपका क्या है?
सर मैंने 21/8/25 को सर स्टे ऑर्डर लिया था अपना आंगनबाड़ी कार्यकर्ता का, तो उसकी अभी तक मतलब कोई सुनवाई नहीं हुई है सर। 8 महीने हो गए
आपके केस का नंबर क्या है?
सर। 2463
कौन से साल का?
अभी 2025 का।
रेट अपील है वीक कमेंसिंग 23 मार्च का। लगा क्यों नहीं इनका?
8 महीने हो गए सर, अभी तक स्टे नहीं हुआ है उसका।
लगा देते हैं इसको, फिक्स डेट दे देते हैं, 28 तारीख दे देते हैं। और
ऑफिस से कार्यालय से फाइल मांगी गई थी तो वो आ गई थी, उसके बाद सुना ही नहीं गया है।
सोलह 15 28 लगा देते हैं इसका। तो 29 तारीख को लगा देंगे, 29 तारीख को लगेगा आपको।
सीरियल नंबर 32 श्री प्रभाकर सिंह।
My lord, against the order of Honorable Single Judge, my lord, I have prepared this appeal. NDC Annexure E1, page 30, my lord. My lord, may I read out, my para 2 of the order? Counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that the respondent number 6
यूज द माइक प्लीज।
Counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that respondent number 6 has wrongly been awarded 10 marks. Respondent number 6 was not in BPL status. Name of the respondent number 6 was not in BPL list between 16 to 18. Husband of the respondent number 6 filed an application and thereafter his name was included in BPL list on 14/9/2018. After last date of filling of the application, that is 5/9/2018, aforesaid fact clearly demonstrated that the respondent number 6 was not in BPL list. My lord, in this case,
Now please tell us one thing.
my lord,
You are for respondent number 6.
6 in
And what is the cutoff date?
cut-off date was 5/9/2018.
5/9/2018. Now, your name was included on 14/9/2018.
According to him, my lord.
And before that, was it in the list?
My name was in the list, my lord.
When was it deleted from the list?
My lord, my name was never deleted from the list.
Then,
Actually,
why was it reintroduced on 14/9/2018?
he filed a document annexure P3, my lord. P3, page 21.
P3.
P3, page 21.
P3 shows नए
Undated,
शामिल किए गए बीपीएल परिवारों की सूची देखें।
my lord. ये undated
बीपीएल में
है,
शामिल दिनांक 12/5/2018।
14/9/2018.
नहीं, रामदेव मिश्रा कौन है?
I am at serial number 1, Rajendra Prasad.
राजेंद्र
Dwivedi.
प्रसाद द्विवेदी। ऑल राइट। तो हु इज राजेंद्र प्रसाद द्विवेदी?
Appellant is the wife of the Rajendra Prasad Dwivedi.
तो राजेंद्र प्रसाद द्विवेदी का नाम 14/9 को इंट्रोड्यूस किया।
My lord, may I submit, my lord?
वही तो पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, कब डिलीट किया था जो 14/9 को डालने की जरूरत पड़ी?
ये undated document है, unsigned by the any authority, my lord.
दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द वेबसाइट।
My name was in the BPL list, my lord, kindly see. Annexure R64, page 13. Serial number 96. मदर का नाम था।
पेज नंबर
Page number 13,
30
13,
13
along with my written one.
नाम क्या है इनका?
Serial number 96, Beva Sia Kumari. She is the
नाम
Sia,
serial number
96.
93 राम मिलन मिश्रा है।
96.
96 देवी सिया कुमारी। देवी सिया कुमारी कौन है?
Sia Kumari is the Mukhiya of the house.
मदर इन लॉ थी आपकी।
Mother in law.
मदर इन लॉ।
BPL card is Janexer is at R610 Malat at page 22 Malat.
You just tell. Your name was there in the BPL list of 2003. The head of the family was the mother-in-law.
Was that?
Name of your husband was there in the 2003.
Along.
Head of the family was your mother-in-law.
Ma.
After the death of your mother-in-law, you applied to issue the card in showing yourself as a head.
As a head.
And that order has been passed in 2018.
Malat.
Show that order first.
R611
And
Malat.
during this period, in 2016, your name was deleted.
Ji.
Where is that order? Because time was granted to you to produce the copy of that order on 29/1/2026. Read the proceeding of 29/1/2026. Time was granted. This is not in dispute that the name of the husband of the petition appellant was there in the BPL list, survey list, since 2003. But your case was that in 2016 his name was deleted and re-included after the last day.
Lordship,
Where is the copy of that order? 16/7/2016.
we have filed an after the
यूज द माइक प्लीज।
we have filed a rejoinder lordship along with that document.
Where is the copy of the order dated 16/7/2016? Read the proceeding dated 29/1/2026 of writ petition.
Read petition. Petitioner is present in person. She has submitted that the name of husband of respondent number 6 was deleted from the BPL list on 16/7/2016, and therefore, when the advertisement was issued, the application form was submitted by the respondent number 6. She was not in BPL list category. So, Lordship, in regard to that, we have
आगे
petitioner is having a copy of order dated 16/7/2016. She is directed to place the copy of same on record before the next date of hearing.
she was having the copy in her hand on that date.
She
Can
has
you
a
find that copy?
Lordship, the copy which she has having on her hand, Lordship, we have
Where is
filed
that copy?
along with my rejoinder, Lordship.
Annexure.
It is in separate IA
IA number
rejoinder 1780.
Serial number 29.
Come to page 8 of that document. Page 8 of your rejoinder. This is the order of 1/10/2018.
Lordship,
Please read this order. This is in their case.
Lordship. From the initial or relevant?
It's a short order. Read it or read from the second प्रकरण में संकलन समस्त दस्तावेजों का अवलोकन
दस्तावेजों का
किया गया।
अवलोकन किया गया। अवलोकन से पाया जाता है कि ग्राम पथरौला की बीपीएल सर्वे क्रमांक 96 में दर्ज मुखिया बेवा सिया कुमारी पति स्वर्गीय गिरजा प्रसाद द्विवेदी निवासी पथरौला की मृत्यु दिनांक 8/6/13 को हो चुकी है। सर्वे शेड्यूल 2003 में उक्त मुखिया के साथ समृद्ध पुत्र राजेंद्र प्रसाद पिता स्वर्गीय गिरजा प्रसाद द्विवेदी
Now hold. What does this say? सर्वे
schedule.
Schedule.
शेड्यूल 2000 में उक्त मुखिया के साथ सम्मिलित पुत्र राजेंद्र प्रसाद, that's him,
लॉर्ड्स हस्बैंड
Husband of the
husband of the appellant.
हाँ
स्वर्गीय श्री से वह उनकी पत्नी मालती द्विवेदी, that's the appellant,
हाँ
का नाम दर्ज है।
जी
It's already there.
in the year 2003 survey list BPL list.
यस, बीपीएल 2003 यथार्थ में जिसके आधार पर मुखिया के मृत्यु उपरांत सर्वे शेड्यूल 2003 में अंकित राजेंद्र द्विवेदी को मुखिया के रूप में दर्ज किए जाने हेतु आवेदन
जी
व ग्राम पंचायत का प्रस्ताव क्रमांक 1 को सर्वे समिति से पारित कर प्रस्ताव पेश किया गया।
जी
सो ही सब्स्टिट्यूटेड एज द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली।
he substituted as a head of family but after the last date of submission काइंडली सी अब एक बार ये ऑर्डर डेट देखें सर 1/10/2018 का ऑर्डर है।
व्हाट डज दिस ऑर्डर डू?
दिस ऑर्डर
व्हाट डज दिस ऑर्डर डू? इस ऑर्डर से क्या हो रहा है? ये ऑर्डर नोट कर रहा है कि 2003 में
जी
इनके हस्बैंड के फादर थे
जी
उनकी डेथ के बाद मदर हेड ऑफ द फैमिली बनी।
जी
मदर की डेथ के बाद इन्होंने आवेदन दिया कि मेरे को हेड ऑफ द फैमिली बना दो,
जी
तो वो इस ऑर्डर से हेड ऑफ द फैमिली बना दिया।
बना दिए।
बीपीएल कार्ड में नाम इंट्रोड्यूस कब हुआ इनका?
दैट्स व्हाई
कब हुआ?
इनका नाम होता है आफ्टर ऑन दैट वाज एडेड ऑन 14/9/2018।
2003 में जब इनके ससुर जी हेड ऑफ द फैमिली थे
जी
तो इनके हस्बैंड का नाम था।
जी
ससुर जी की डेथ के बाद मदर इन लॉ बन गई हेड ऑफ द फैमिली। हस्बैंड का नाम था।
जी
मदर इन लॉ की डेथ के बाद हस्बैंड का नाम था, उसको हेड बना दिया। नाम इंट्रोड्यूस कब हुआ?
नहीं नाम वही मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ दैट नेम वाज रिलेटेड ऑन अकाउंट दैट अ
वेयर इज
प्रपोजल
दैट डिलीशन ऑर्डर?
सर वही मैं बता रहा हूँ
डिलीशन ऑर्डर दिखाइए।
मैं वही बता रहा हूँ एक बार आप एनेक्सर P6 देखेंगे which is a intimation letter dated 4th of April 2016 which was given by the Gram Panchayat that her wife is working as a Sahika from last more than 10 years. More than 10 years, so her name and his name has to be deleted from the BPL list.
कहाँ? When was it deleted?
That for that I have filed that rejoinder. Kindly see page number 7.
पेज 7 में क्या है?
15 जुलाई 2017 को हटाया गया, 14 सितंबर 2018 को वापस जोड़ा गया।
हटाने का ऑर्डर कहाँ है?
ये एंट्री मेंशन है सर।
एंट्री नहीं, ऑर्डर कहाँ है?
नहीं देयर वाज नो सेपरेट ऑर्डर।
तो बिना ऑर्डर के इनको हटा दिया।
कॉपी ऑफ दैट वो तो उनका रिकॉर्ड है, वो हमको नहीं मिलेगा, बट ये जो पोर्टल पे अपलोड है
Your client was holding that.
ना, सी वाज होल्डिंग कॉपी ऑफ दैट एंड पेज नंबर 8 पेज नंबर 8 इसलिए होल्ड
Writ petitioner appeared in court in person.
आई वाज आल्सो देयर लॉर्डशिप। आई वाज
Came later on.
यस लॉर्डशिप।
It was so she was having the copy of that order.
शी वाज हैविंग अ कॉपी
and
ऑफ ऑर्डर
directed
डेटेड
to place the said document on record.
lordship. She is having
Where is that document?
she is having a copy of order dated 1st of October.
Date is also mentioned in the proceeding.
No, lordship,
That date is also mentioned in the proceeding,
lordship.
and she was directed to place the copy of that order on record.
Lordship.
Why it has not been placed on record?
No, actually, my lordship,
Because that was a proposal to delete the name, and
No,
that was
that-
not
that
an order
document-
that was a proposal on behalf of the village panchayat to delete the name, but the name was not actually deleted.
no, that proposal is already part of record. We have filed that
Second
P6.
proposal.
P6 and intimation
So
both
therefore,
are part of record.
You have to point out by which order their name was deleted, because his name was there.
Lordship.
It is not a case that for the first time his name was included in the
her
BPL
mother
card.
her mother name was there.
His name was also there. Since 2003, the husband's name of the appellant was there since 2003.
In serial number 96, her mother name was mentioned.
इंक्लूडिंग द सन।
नहीं, that was in the order of तहसीलदार which was passed. अब वो वही ऑर्डर में एक बार पॉइंट आउट करना चाह रहा हूँ लॉर्डशिप कि ऑर्डर डेटेड
2003 में लिखा है कि इनका नाम था, इनकी पत्नी का नाम भी
सर
था।
मैं वही बताना चाह रहा हूँ सर, वो ऑर्डर आप देखेंगे 1/10/2018 का ऑर्डर है,
1/10/2018
और उस ऑर्डर के कंप्लायंस में अक्टूबर के ऑर्डर के कंप्लायंस में सितंबर में ही नाम जोड़ दिया जाता है।
मिस्टर शुक्ला, 1/10/2018 के ऑर्डर में लिखा है कि 2003 से इनका नाम चला आ रहा है।
जी,
अगर चला आ रहा है तो मतलब था ना।
और सर उसी ऑर्डर के कंप्लायंस को
Read
करते
the
हुए
findings
सितंबर
of
में
the-
नाम जोड़ दिया गया,
Read the
एक महीने
findings of
पहले।
the writ court. Read the findings of the writ court. how the writ court has dealt with this issue that his name was there, thereafter deleted, and then by this order it was included again.
It was
So consider where
it was
रीजनिंग दिखाइए
रीजनिंग बताइए कि रिट कोर्ट ने कहा है सब कंसिडर किया, इतने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट इनेक्शन इतने आपने लगाए, इन्होंने लगाए, कंसिडर क्या किया रिट कोर्ट ने?
Paragraph 5.
It was on going through all the document in the case. It is found that on the last date of application, that means on 5th of September.
Where is all this story? 2003 his name was there, deleted in 17, reintroduced in 18. Where is all that? कुछ भी नहीं.
A simple question was made.
We are asking you, आपके पास आज है ऑर्डर वो 2017 का इनके रिमूवल का, आज दिखा दीजिए.
We have an entry. We have an entry that his name was deleted in a portal.
We are not agreeing. आपकी allegation है delete हुआ था. Show us the order of deletion.
It has been deleted. That's why in the
दिखाइए
year
order of
2018 again name was added on.
No. The order is his name is substituted as the head of the family.
That order is a subsequent order. Name
So
was
show us the order.
name was added in the year 2000.
Please show us the order जहाँ add हुआ नाम इनका. दिखाइए ना डिलीशन का है ना ऐड होने का है, नाम
ऐड होने का लॉर्डशिप दैट इज देयर.
सब्स्टिट्यूट एज द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली का ऑर्डर दिखा रहे हैं आप. मदर की डेथ हो गई, नाउ आई एम द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली.
11018 इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन एज हेड ऑफ द फैमिली.
ये जो एनेक्सा P3 है एज पेज नंबर 21.
This is not an order.
This is in Samak portal.
This is not an order. This is updation of the entry. And please see the column where it says 96 stroke 2 सर्वे सूती नंबर वर्ष 2002-2003
नंबर और ईयर देखिए उसी ऑर्डर में.
सीरियल नंबर 96 2002-2003.
लॉर्डशिप
तो 2002-2003 से सीरियल नंबर 96 पे इनका नाम है.
सदस्य संख्या 6.
Thereafter it has been deleted. That's why
Where is
again
the
an
order of
has-
deletion?
That's why again an
Where is
order
the
has
order
been
of
passed for adding her name.
Please show us the order of deletion.
वो तो इंटरनल
और show us an application by him. मेरा नाम काट दिया उसको ऐड किया जाए, वो दिखाइए application.
For that a record has to be called lordship.
You produced it. Record has to be called. Learned single judge doesn't look at the record. You have no record and order is passed. Where is the record of deletion?
That is with Tehsildar lordship. That is with Tehsildar.
आप कह रहे हैं ना कि उनका नाम डिलीट हुआ था. Show the deletion record.
I am saying on the basis of the entry which
This
was
is not-
made on the portal on the basis of the order passed by the Tehsildar.
Order of the Tehsildar that you are showing is including his name as the head of the family.
That order is a subsequent order. Name was added in the month of September. That order is
तो वो
passed in the
order
month of
दिखाइए ना.
October.
वो ऑर्डर दिखाइए सितंबर का.
सितंबर में वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ लॉर्डशिप कि सितंबर में नाम ऐड होता है इन कंप्लायंस ऑफ द ऑर्डर व्हिच वाज पास इन द अक्टूबर. जो ऑर्डर अस्तित्व में नहीं था उस
तो
ऑर्डर
अक्टूबर का ही ऑर्डर दिखा दीजिए.
अक्टूबर का ऑर्डर तो ये था जो 1/10/18 का पेज नंबर 8 along with my
1/10/18
rejoinder I have filed showing that the malified entry how that
मिस्टर शुक्ला,
lordship
1/10/18 में नाम ऐड करने का कोई ऑर्डर नहीं है. कोई नहीं है ऑर्डर उसमें नाम ऐड करेंगे. फिर पढ़ के बताइए कहाँ लिखा है नाम ऐड किया जाता है. 1/10/18 को पढ़िए. अगर यही ऑर्डर है तो पढ़ के बताइए इसमें कहाँ लिखा है इनका नाम ऐड किया जाता है.
इनका नाम पहले था, इसका प्रूफ आपके डॉक्यूमेंट से देते हैं. P6 पे
जी
ग्राम पंचायत का जो प्रपोजल है
जी
उसमें इनके हस्बैंड का नाम
जी
डिलीट करने का प्रपोजल है.
जी
जब था ही नहीं तो डिलीट करने का प्रपोजल 14 में कैसे 16 में कैसे दे दिया?
ये 16 में आफ्टर दैट
नाम नहीं था तो 16 में डिलीट करने का प्रपोजल
नहीं
कैसे आया?
16 में ही तो डिलीट हुआ लॉर्डशिप.
Then thereafter there should be an order of deletion. This was the proposal.
For that
This was the proposal from the
Lordship.
village panchayat कि इनकी पत्नी is the appellant. She is working as
आंगनवाड़ी
सहायिका.
Lordship.
Therefore his name should be deleted from the BPL list.
BPL list.
Where is the order of deletion?
That order is not with us.
When there is no order, meaning thereby his name was there.
The
The
entry
name of the husband was there.
the entry in portal was made that her name was deleted on year 2016.
Where is the copy of that order which your client was holding on that day? Why you have not placed that copy on record?
I will verify also lordship, but as per my knowledge, she is holding a copy of order dated 1st of October 2018, which
So now you are challenging that proceeding also. Now you are challenging the correctness of this proceeding also.
No, we have to verify. That's why I'm making that we have asked Lordship the Association. We have just given an order of Tehsildar 110, and both the document are on record.
Proceeding is very clear.
Lordship.
Date has been mentioned.
Lordship.
It has also been mentioned that she is having the copy,
Lordship.
and it was directed her to place the copy on record.
I will call her also. मैं वेरीफाई भी कर लूँगा, बुला भी
वेरीफाई क्या कर लेंगे? आपने उसको उसके बाद भी फाइल नहीं किया, क्यों नहीं किया?
The document which she provided us, we have filed it. The document which was given by her Lordship, we have filed that document. Both the document.
In the order was passed on the basis of the proposal of ग्राम पंचायत.
जी
डिलीशन हो गया था.
नहीं, डिलीशन नहीं हुआ था, मुखिया का नाम जोड़ने के लिए ऑर्डर हुआ था.
मुखिया का नाम डिफरेंट मैटर.
जी.
The gram panchayat has passed a resolution.
मैडम,
Your wife is working as Anganwadi Sahika. Therefore, your name should be name of the husband of the appellant should be deleted from the BPL survey list. Whether it was deleted or not.
The name of the appellant was deleted
or not deleted
on 10/7/2020 मैडम.
20 नहीं, 16 में.
नहीं, 16 में नहीं हुआ था.
तुम्हारे पास 16 का ऑर्डर है 2016 का?
No, right now we don't have any.
अपनी क्लाइंट से पूछिए, है?
मैं बात कर लेता हूँ.
उसके पास था.
मैं पूछ लेता हूँ.
P6 ही था उस समय दिखाया.
Actually, मैं see what she provided, that is a Samak provided Samak portal website.
Even for updation, it will come like this. Where is the समग्र आईडी में दिखा दीजिए 16 में रिमूव हुआ है.
हाँ, in that it has been mentioned that page number 7 में कि it has been removed in the year 2016.
कहाँ है वो?
Even though date was mentioned 15 जुलाई 2016.
पेज 7 कहाँ है?
Page 7 of my rejoinder.
Of your rejoinder.
Lordship. And again on 14 September 2018 जोड़ा गया. And it is a part of page number 6.
From there it is mentioned that it has been deleted. डिलीट कर दिया, ये कहाँ मेंशन किया?
यह
हाथ से लिखा है किसी
हाँ
ने?
हाथ से लिखा
हिंदी में हाथ से,
जी।
इसमें से रिफ्लेक्ट होना चाहिए।
ये
तो ये अकाउंट तो मेंटेन रहा, अगर डिलीट कर दिया तो अकाउंट ही मेंटेन नहीं होना था। अकाउंट मेंटेन रहा, आगे की एंट्री है उसमें।
ना समग्र पोर्टल तो मेंटेन रहेगा ही लॉर्डशिप, बीपीएल में नाम
जब डिलीट करने का मतलब
नहीं, समग्र पोर्टल में सबका नाम रहेगा सर, बीपीएल एपीएल सबका, इवन आफ्टर डिलीशन फ्रॉम बीपीएल लिस्ट, बट एंट्री हैज टू बी मेड वेदर इट दे कम अंडर बीपीएल और एपीएल।
इससे बताइए ना, ऑर्डर उनसे डिलीट कर दिया, कहाँ लिखा?
ये हटाया गया है, जोड़ा गया अटैच
तो हाथ से किसी ने लिख दिया आगे?
ये नहीं, ये तो 14/9/18 के ऊपर की जो एंट्री है जोड़ा गया, ये सेम हैज बीन रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम एनेक्सर P3 कि 14/9/2018 को इनका नाम जोड़ा गया था।
Say down that. Who will have the record?
Well, we'll
The respondent state is directed to produce the relevant record of the BPL card of the husband of the appellant on the next date of hearing.
One thing is there, my lord, in the rejoinder what they have said, my lord, the respondent who are petitioner here, may kindly see their additional reply, that is at serial number 30, first paragraph, in respect of response to the contention made by the petitioner. Kindly see that rejoinder, that the name they have contended regarding the rejoinder of the petitioner, that the husband of respondent, namely Rajan Prasad Dwivedi, was deleted from the BPL list on 16/7/2016 and re-added on 14/9/2018. The said contention is absolutely incorrect and misleading. In fact, the name of Sia Dulari, mother of Rajan Prasad Dwivedi, was deleted from the BPL
You
list
produce
on.
the record.
We'll produce it. This ambiguity will be clear.
Therefore, the direction was issued to produce the copy of
Yes,
this
my
order.
lord. Yes. And
List
this is
on
the reason,
23rd June 2026.
my lord.
In the meanwhile, man,
In the meantime, status quo as obtaining today we
he
maintain.
has
Who's
been
working?
allowed to. He has been allowed to.
How has she been coming? कब किया?
अभी एक हफ्ते पहले।
7th of April।
ये 4 दिन पहले?
हाँ,
क्यों? In the meantime, there shall be stay of operation of order dated 1/4/2026.
Before filing of writ petition, writ appeal lordship, she has given a joinder on the in compliance of order passed.
If you have not been able to show us the record, there will be stay of this order.
all right.
Serial number 33 state.
We have the respondents are known.
Start, Your Lordship.
Lord,
We
may
had to receive the wakalatnama in this case, Your Lordship. This